Well, hello there, and welcome to my channel. Today we are apartment hunting. It's day 2 of my search for a new apartment. So we're touring Westgate at University today. And so far, I think I'm in love with this place. Look at how beautiful it looks. This is the main building where you'll find the work study and computer station, the social and gaming lounge, a spa, and the back leads out to the pool area. They also have a bark park for if you have a pet wash station, yoga and spin studio, and a fitness center. I just walked through the work study, and this area is the gaming lounge. Okay, so now we are entering the model. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 663 square feet, and it's approximately $2,100 at this time. It has a nice, spacious, open layout. We have a short hallway here, and to the left we have a stackable washer and dryer. And on the right, a small closet for your linens. And here's the bathroom, nicely updated with cabinets, nice lighting, and sufficient countertop space. And in this unit, you can enter your bathroom from your bedroom or from your living space. But first, let's take a look at the walk-in closet. If you like to shop, I would say it's enough space for one person. If it's for a couple, you may have to fight for a little closet space here. Okay, so let's move on to our bedroom, which is nicely decorated. The models always look so nice. It's spacious enough to hold all of your furniture, nicely decorated. You can put some storage underneath the bed. Has a lot of light. And I love it. It's really nice. So now we're about to go back out to our living space. I really like the sectional that they put here. Helps with the seating. I would probably put it like an ottoman in, just in case you have a lot of guests over. You can utilize the ottoman for seating, and maybe even put a little bistro set on the patio. Now back to the kitchen. It has stainless steel appliances, wood cabinetry. Most places I'm touring, they have either white or the gray cabinets or gray tone cabinets, but actually the wood tones are coming back in style. So I'll say buy what you love, because trends do come and go. So last but not least, here's the pool area. They have a jacuzzi at the right end of the pool and cabanas on the far south end of the pool. It's really beautiful, and the weather is just so nice here right now. And the floating mats in the pool. It's just a beautiful day. I want to dive in right now. Well, thank you for watching day 2 of my apartment hunting vlog.